So I mentioned I was gonna be busy this weekend because I had an upcoming show, and that show actually went very great. I'm gonna show some clips just to show you guys how it was, and if people ask for it, then I guess I can show you guys extra clips like on another post. But follow Terco Sai, Tercos if you're white. Yeah, that's my band. We were trying to see if we can get another show. The show was pretty fun. Um, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Start your own band and become my rival. Fuck you guys. I'm out.